How to make steamed fish fillet in oyster sauce. First, let's season our fish fillet with salt. Next, get a plate, and in that plate, put some ginger slices. And then, add fillet on top and add some more ginger. It's time to steam the fish for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, place the fish in a serving platter. And then transfer the liquid in a bowl. And then proceed and steam the remaining fish fillet. As for the sauce, we will add 5 tablespoons of oyster sauce to the liquid. And then 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And we mix it well. And then we pour the sauce over the fish. We top it with more ginger, some leeks, and with coriander. And then we're done. Thank you for watching.